All right, hello everyone. Good morning. In response to the question that was asked in the group, so first thing is you need to install your Spider. If you have installed Spider, the next thing is you need to download your case study file from Kaggle. So to do that, you need to go to this link. Just copy the link, Control C. You paste your link here, then it opens up. So before you can have access to the data file, you need to make sure you are signed up with Kaggle, all right? Then this is where you click on download. So we click on download. It will download this particular credit card.csv file to your download folder, as you can see here. So if I say show in folder, so it's already there. So it's a zip file, you need to unzip. Then you copy this particular file, you copy. Then you have to create a folder where you want to work from. So in my case, I've created a folder called ML case study folder. So in that folder, I'm going to drop my credit card.csv file. And at the same time, if I open a new file in Spider, I will save this file to that same directory. So it must be in the same directory as your credit card.csv. So you can name your file as, in this case, I've named that mlcasestudy.py. Okay, make sure there's no space when you're naming your file, and make sure you don't use unnecessary characters that Python does not recognize. So once that is done, the next thing is you go to the case study file to install. So if you want to install the libraries, because you will need libraries, for example, these are the libraries. So all these are libraries needed. That's import pandas as PD, import from sklearn, import this, right? So you need to make sure that they are installed. To do that, first thing you can do is just copy this code to check whether those libraries are installed on your Spider. Just copy this line of code and you paste it on your console. So this is your console. Let me clear the console, CLER. Okay, so if I paste it here and I press enter, okay, so it runs without any error. Now, if you paste this and it shows you error, it will tell you maybe module not found. That means the library is not installed in your Spider environment. To install, you just go back to this file. So you can see, just copy this line of code. Then you come here and paste pip install pandas, numpy, sklearn, matplotlib, seaborn, and tensorflow. So these are different libraries: pandas, numpy, sklearn, matplotlib, seaborn, and tensorflow. So they're all used for machine learning and applications. So you just press enter, right? So I'm not going to do that because I've already installed. But before you do that, make sure your internet is connected. Your laptop is connected to the internet. Otherwise, it will not be able to download those libraries. So you can do them at once, or if you don't want to do them at once, you do them one after the other. So for example, I will say pip install pandas, then I'll press enter. So because I've already installed pandas, it will search, and later it will tell me these requirements are already satisfied. So you can see requirement already satisfied because it's already there. So I will do that repeatedly for all the other libraries. So maybe the other one is numpy. So I press enter and all of that. So that's how to install your library. So once you've installed your library, the next thing is you go to the case study file and you begin to follow the instructions in the file. So first is to copy all this code, Control C. So please make sure you read the codes, what they are for. This is to load your data set, check for missing values, feature scaling, and all of that. Then you paste it in your file you're opening pandas. So let's say I delete all these guys, delete, and I paste Control V. All right. So you start with that first set of codes, then you have to run it. To run it, you just click on this green button or you press the F5 button. So when I run, it's going to show me some data. Okay, so this is the data it's showing me when I run. So again, you can go through the code line after the line, line by line to see what is happening in the code. All right. Then that's how you continue until the whole code is executed. All right. I hope this helps.